Hey everybody, it's Tony from CarStars, and just a real quick video. I bought one of these LS engine bolt kits from, I believe, Z Car Depot. It was about 65 bucks. They're all stainless steel. Comes in different like head sizes or head types. They have different varying head types and so on. About 65 bucks, Z Car Depot. And it's supposed to be an entire engine bolt kit, but what I've found is that there were numerous bolts that are not included in this kit. For example, head bolts are not included, and I think it says that in the description that head bolts are not included, but don't think you're going to get head bolts for 65 bucks or in one of these type of kits. Also, oops, going to have to do a little edit. Take two. So, also not included, we found, were the 3 bolts that went into the cam. We didn't have any bolts for the cam retaining plate. There were no bolts for the, I think something to do with the oil pump, like in the timing chain area. No timing chain bolts were included. The drive hubs, the geared hubs. Sprockets, I should say. There were no bolts included for that. And I was actually surprised that the crane, I think it was a crane cam kit for my engine timing chain. I can't remember exactly what kind of kit that was. But yeah, it didn't come with bolts either. So just be careful when you're ordering bolt kit and you think you're getting an entire engine bolt kit. You're really not. You're not getting every single bolt you need. So just make sure you've got all your bolts that you need before you start your job, because it can really slow the process. So luckily we had this little metric pack of some bolts, so we threw a bolt in here and there that we needed. We didn't use any of these on like the timing chain and stuff and the cam. We luckily I had some bolts left over from my engine that the original seller gave me this little box and had all kinds of bolts and stuff in it. So luckily we found bolts in there that actually worked and were the proper bolts for the things we needed. But anyhow, just heads up. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.